Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. My quick tip today is about tearing your cardstock. Oftentimes I'd like to add a layer to my card base, and sometimes I want a torn edge or a corner or a side to create some dimension to my card. There's two ways you can do it, and the tip is this. Always make sure that when you're tearing towards yourself, because that's going to reveal the layers of the cardstock. Stampin' Up! Cardstock is colored all the way through, so when you tear, you don't have to worry about the underneath fibers showing white. So let me show you what I mean about how to tear. Use your thumb and index finger on your less prominent hand, and then use your other hand to tear towards you. You're going to tear in and you're going to tear out. You're looking for that jagged edge. You're going to see too, and I'm going to hold it up and I'm hoping it's going to pick this up in the video, that there's fibers from the layers of the cardstock. And don't you love that it's colored all the way through? Of course, you can add ink to these edges or of course glitter, anything to add some fun. And then what you would do is you would layer this on your card base. But there's another way to tear your paper that might be a little easier for some of you, especially if you're not real confident. And that is using your Aqua Painter. I'm going to take the lid off and I'm going to use the wet bristles that's going to break down the fibers in the paper, making it easier. The Aqua Painter simply unscrews and then you'll just put tap water down inside and then you'll put the cap back on. Make sure that the bristles are nice and wet. Take your Aqua Painter and then paint on a watered line. Take your thumb and index finger and pull, and you're going to find that it's going to travel right across that paper edge, making it easy for you to find exactly where that line is to tear. Then when it dries, you can go ahead and mount it to the base of your card. When you're all finished with your Aqua Painter, make sure that you bring the bristles together before you cap it. There's nothing worse than stray hairs when you go to use it next time. Whether you'd like to use your fingers or you'd like to use the Aqua Painter, this is a great tip for you on getting those beautiful layered fibers for your card base. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and are interested in Stampin' Up! Products, I would be more than happy to send you a complimentary copy of the annual catalog and or the holiday catalog. Just leave me a comment below. Thanks so much for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next time for another quick tip. Have a great day.